Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove fill color from text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to remove the fill color. At first, go to the insert menu, select the text box and draw a text box. Then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Increase the font size. Now we can see here a black fill color. You want to remove this, go to the shape format menu. Choose the text fill option and make it no fill. Then select the outline option and added the outline color. We see the text fill is removed. Now we can see we removed the text fill color in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.